Alright guys, back again to the future, Yahweh Shai here speaking, and I just want to give my father Yahweh thanks for life and for strength once again. To all your sincere acting and pushing his word in truth and in sincerity. Shalom. Shalom. So, the law of the wise. What is folly? It leads you to, and then you have to see fool, yeah? See fool. So, one, weakness of intellect, imbecility of mind, want of understanding because you don't have overstanding. Two, an absurd act which is highly sinful, any conduct contrary to the laws of Yahweh, Yahweh Shai, or man sin scandalous crimes that which violates moral precepts and dishonors the offender. Proverbs 13 verse 16. Every prudent man dealeth with knowledge, but a fool layeth open his folly. 17. A wicked messenger falleth into mischief, but a faithful ambassador is health. So weed is some people's idol, which those who have it as theirs shall be punished. Esau, though, yes, still has to pay for the wickedness he did to my people because we smoked it. And also my people has to be changed, renewed in their mind with my teachings. So because you have that, oh, I am so Holy Spirit, Esau gets away with murder all the time. To stop this shit, we have to stop this shit. Like also people literally love weed so much they advertise it like, look at me, you fucking donkeys. This ain't the way, yeah? And also, yeah, you're supposed to be like really just selling the weed to your brothers, this and that. He only like that right now because, yeah, Esau have it to be illegal. So, 19. The desire accomplished is sweet to the soul, but it is an abomination to fools to depart from evil. 20. He that walketh with wise men shall be wise, but a companion of fools shall be destroyed. 21. Evil pursueth sinners, but to the righteous good shall be repaid. 22. A good man leaveth an inheritance to his children's children, and the wealth of the sinners is laid up for the just. Much food, listen, is in the tillage of the poor, but there is that is destroyed for want of judgment. He that spareth his rod hateth his son, but he that loveth him betimes. 25. The righteous eateth to the satisfying enough, yeah, of his soul, but the belly of the wicked still want. 1. A wise son heareth his father's instruction, but a scorner heareth not rebuke. 2. A man shall eat good by the fruit of his mouth, but the soul of the transgressor shall eat violence. He that keepeth his mouth keepeth his life, but he that openeth wide his lips shall have destruction. Them stinking mouths. The soul of the sluggard desireth and hath nothing, but the soul of the delight shall be made fat. 5. A righteous man hateth lying, but a wicked man is loathsome and cometh to shame. 6. Righteousness keepeth him that is upright in the way, but wickedness overcometh the sinner. 7. There is that maketh himself rich, yet has nothing. There is that maketh himself poor, yet have great riches. The ransom of a man's life are his riches, but the poor have not rebuke. The light of the righteous rejoiceth, but the lamp of the wicked shall be put out. 10. Only by pride cometh contention, but with the well advised is wisdom. 11. Wealth gotten by vanity Yeah, this tight jeans man saying that you're gonna sell weed and shut up. I won't catch all of you fuckers here. Wealth gotten by vanity shall be diminished, but he that gathereth by labor shall increase. Hope deferred maketh heart sick, but when the desire cometh, it is a tree of life. Whoso despiseth the word shall be destroyed, but he that feareth the commandments shall be rewarded. The law of the wise is a fountain of life, to depart from the snares of death. 15. Good understanding giveth favor, but the way of transgressors is hard. And I'm gonna stop right there. So you see all of these people, they in the truth, they're not in the truth right now. How you could be in the truth and then you're out of the truth? And still, even if you're in the truth, you're still hustling your brothers and your sisters. Them. Come out of that. Anyways, I just hope this was edifying to you guys. So, the law of the wise, yeah, and what is folly. I looked it up for you guys. Read. Have some kind of judgment in you guys as well too. Shalom.